right.
I'm woed out.
We are tired. It's been hot. Now we're downtown Waxahachie, looking at the top 50. They're gonna have the top 50 parked out here, and so this could be the cool, the best of the best.
Everything they picked for the day. See what the festivities are all like. See who got what award.
Heck
I'm
yeah.
curious about best of show.
Oh yeah. All right. Come on.
What's up, everybody? We have been walking around for 2 days.
And I am tired and my back's hurting, but I think we got some good shots.
I feel like we got a shot of every single truck here.
Oh yeah.
Every single truck.
It seems like it. There was so many trucks at C10s in the park, and then here downtown, it was great. We just had to work with the lighting.
Yeah.
It was great though.
But it's turned out nice. This was probably the coolest truck show I've been to in a long time.
Yeah.
Like,
oh yeah.
There was a lot of quality, a lot of nice rides, everything seemed like a driver. So it was really fun. A lot of nice people, a lot of good sponsors and vendors, and the guys who put on the show did an excellent job.
Yeah.
So we appreciate it.
It is awesome. So guys, next year, if you can make it out to C10s in the park, I would highly suggest to get to Waxahachie. Come enjoy this show.
Yeah, and what a cool city, man. They really did it up for this show. So it's nice to be here, and it's a pleasure being part of it. So thank you, and thank all y'all for watching our videos.
Hey, remember, do what makes you happy. Hit that subscribe button and like it, the bell notification. We really appreciate it if y'all can do that for us.
Leave us a comment. Do what makes you happy.
Heck yeah. See ya.